Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the user registration plugin in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins section. Click Add New and search for user registration. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. This simple step enables all the powerful features of the plugin, allowing you to start building custom registration forms for your website visitors right away. It's a quick and easy process to get started. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your first registration form. Go to User Registration in your dashboard and select Add New. You'll see a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Simply pull over essential fields like username, email address, and password. You can easily customize their labels and mark certain fields as required. Once you're happy with your form's layout, click Create Form and then Save Form. This prepares your custom registration experience for your users. With your form created, the next step is to display it on your website. Head to Pages and either create a new page or edit an existing one where you want the form to appear. The User Registration plugin provides a convenient shortcode or a dedicated block. Simply insert this into your page content. After adding the shortcode or block, publish or update your page. Now, your visitors can easily find and use the registration form, making the sign-up process seamless and straightforward. Finally, let's look at managing your new users and plugin settings. You can view all registered users directly from your WordPress dashboard under the Users section. The plugin also allows you to configure email notifications, so you're always informed about new sign-ups. Don't forget to explore general settings for features like reCAPTCHA to prevent spam. You can also delve into advanced options, such as assigning specific user roles or setting up redirects after a successful login, giving you full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.